We'll explore international money transfers, focusing on Taptap Send and its functionality regarding Bkash in Bangladesh. A key point: Taptap Send does not directly transfer money to Bkash accounts in Bangladesh. This avoids frequent user inquiries. Taptap Send's strength lies in international transfers. It facilitates money movement between countries. Observe the USA as a sending country and the varied destinations receivable. Operationally, access the Taptap Send app, specify sending from the USA, and choose the destination country, which won't be a direct Bkash route. Though direct Bkash transfers are unsupported, recognize Taptap Send's broad service scope. Consider sending to banks or other Bangladesh entities, who may then route the funds to Bkash. Verify local receiving service availability within your destination country. Ensure accurate recipient information when transacting. Double-check recipient details, financial account information, or the local service information accordingly. In short, while no direct Bkash transfers exist, always confirm current services. Leverage the app's worldwide reach, carefully verify receivers' details, and supported local services for seamless transactions.